Hey everybody, and welcome to Incredible Tiny Homes. I'm Lucas Cameron and I'm the factory manager, and we are here on third shift where the sun never sets during the month of October in this building. This is the first RJO that we've got going down the line out of the tower. The last of the I boxes are leaving out the back of the building. And the second one we've got sitting in the tower right now tonight. And the third one's right behind it. I'll show you in just a minute. We're going to probably roll the old half of the siege tower back in here, and that way it'll expedite the roofs going on, because that seems to be the one thing that's kind of a hold up right now. So we're going to have that where once the roof goes on, the actual roof metal can go on later past that, hopefully speeding things up a lot quicker. This first day they're kind of ironing out all the stuff. This is the second night for us on setup. We've got a roof jig over here now in place, which is helping just speed the roof assembly up, so the guys can actually put it together, pick the whole thing up, go over and set it down on the roof. We've got a bunch of guys in here doing different stuff. We've got final touch-ups, window trims, punch out. We got wall building here. We're building all sorts of different pieces of the walls. We've got the fronts and backs. Gables are being made. This is the third house that's assembled right now, waiting to receive a roof because they're going to roll that one out. This right here was literally just built tonight, in half the night. We already have the next day ahead for the fronts and backs. We've also building lofts. John's over there building gables right now. We've already got pieces ready for the guys in the morning to assemble. Back here, we've got, this is all sidewalls ready to go. The next day's ahead, and we're already starting to build out the material. Back here we've got floors completely finished, ready to roll right in the line. These guys now have outside the door here. If you walk outside the door, you can see Neely and Jake's got another one about to go together right now. We've got a whole row of all these trailers will come in and be ready to be built. So there's a whole day's worth ready to receive the internals and flooring. And next door, the guys have got us all sorts of panels. We've already plowed through a whole pallet of panels right here. About to start building another set. So that's what's going on here at third shift, and it looks like in about another 2 weeks, we should have every single piece that the guys need during first and second shift built. And then hopefully we can come back in on first, second shift and help the rest of them finish out. So guys, just keep watching.